Hey everyone, happy Valentine's Day. Today's video is going to be a cocktail recipe video. So I decided to make a cocktail that was made very famous by a television show called Sex and the City. Today's cocktail is going to be a Cosmo. So you can't really go wrong with a vodka cranberry combination, but this recipe uses triple sec, vodka, cranberry, and lime juice. And then we're just gonna garnish it with some strawberries and cut them in the shapes of hearts because it is Valentine's Day weekend, and why not? I hope you guys enjoy this video. So this is everything you're gonna need to make this cocktail. We're gonna use vodka as our base. We're gonna use some triple sec, some cranberry juice, and then some fresh squeezed lime. All right, the first thing that you're gonna need is to put some ice in your shaker. And then we're gonna add 2 ounces of vodka to the shaker. Then you're gonna add a ½ ounce of the triple sec. Just pour that right in. All right, and then you're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of cranberry juice. And then we're gonna just juice the lime. And we wanna use about a ½ ounce of lime. And then you're just gonna add that lime juice right into your shaker. You're gonna pop the top on that shaker and give it a shake. And then just set that aside. So to garnish, we're just gonna use a little strawberry. I'm just gonna cut the top of it off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna cut a V into the strawberry. And if you hear something in the background, that's my daughter running after a cat. And then you're gonna take just a slice of it. So it sort of looks like a heart. And then you're just gonna stick it on your glass like that. And then you're just gonna strain your drink into your glass. And there you have it, a Valentine's Day Cosmo. You can really make this any day. It's really refreshing and sweet. If you guys give this one a try, let me know in the comments below. If you guys like this video, please subscribe and stick around. I make videos on cocktails, recipes, DIYs, and wellness. I will see you guys next time.